Hi there. My name's Enrique Alanis. I am a professional writing tutor at the University of North Texas at Dallas. And really quickly, I just want to show you guys how to schedule an appointment with me or any one of our other lovely tutors here in the Learning Commons at UNC Dallas. So let's get right into it, shall we? So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and we'll jump right into it. So first things first, what I like to do is I like to type in UNT DLC. Please do not forget the D in LC because we are University of North Texas at Dallas. Don't forget the Dallas. So, most time I just come here, I scroll down. It's a little bit about who we are, what we do, also our schedule, operating hours, and then I come down here to schedule an appointment, and then I click here to WC Online. So I already have an account, but let's do it. So you put in your email address, whether it's your student email or a personal account, however you set up your student account, of course. You put in your password as normal. And then for me, I select the schedule just so I know what I want to do. So we offer STEM tutoring and writing tutoring. So let's say you're looking to schedule an appointment with me. You want to click LC Writing Spring 2025. So we log in just so you can see the normal way of the display. We go here. So today is April 10th, 12:33 currently. So let's say you want to have an appointment at 2 p.m. today with Enrique. Let's do that. We do it 2 p.m. If you have any preferred staff or resource, you can look for my name, Enrique, right there, and meeting type. You can select email or Zoom, such as this, or in person. So in email tutoring, you would simply send your file in a Word document, and we would review it and leave you suggested revisions on the document itself. If we do in person, obviously we'll be meeting in person here at the Learning Commons, and if we do over Zoom, it would be much like this, over Zoom, sharing the screen and obviously speaking through the PC. So let's just do an in-person tutoring event, and we'll do find appointments. And we have a perfect match, so all you'd have to do here is reserve that time. Once you do that, you would select your tutoring format. You would share your UNCD student email. You will select the corresponding course that you are in. Select the instructor that teaches that course. Let me know whether you need proof of visit for your professor. Yes or no. Let me know what type of assignment it is. And of course, anything that you want to focus on, and as well as any other additional information that you might find important for me to know. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. You create the appointment here, and then there you go. That's it. So hopefully this helps. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will catch you all later. I hope to see you soon. Peace.